Hi, this is Mark at Dingdong's Garden. We are back out in our hoop house, and this is Takoma Violet fig. The Takoma is spelled with a K, so it kind of threw me off a little bit because we're out here in the Pacific Northwest, and the city south of Seattle is Takoma, but it's spelled with a C. So I looked it up, and it turns out it's named for its origin point in Takoma Park, Maryland, which is spelled with a K. But it's another, it looks to be like another Mount Etna type fig. It's a little later ripening than some of our other Mount Etna type figs, all like unknown Owensboro or Hardy Chicago. But they're always welcome. They're a very reliable fig before our short growing season and our cool environment here. I'm just going to stand up for a second here and talk about our hoop house. We put it in a few years ago. I thought that our figs could grow outside once they were established and a little larger in a pot. But the reality is our soil here and the outside temperatures are so cool that they just really struggled. So this last winter, I went out and I transplanted all of the figs back into here. So what you see here is these are all transplanted figs. We've got them on 2-foot spacing. And it turns out that's plenty of room to get this much growth. We are hoping, based on our experience with mulberry trees and willows, that the roots of these get more established over time, they will grow more and more quickly during the summers. I couldn't be more happy with the size of these figs, but just down the road here, I've got a Stella, and those things are just enormous. Look at the size of that thing. It's huge, and I'm sure it'll get a little bigger before it's ripened. I think between the two of these, this one is probably quite a bit more ripe. So let's go ahead and pull that and take a look. It's very funny. I bring my steak knife to when I come out here to cut figs. I hope that doesn't offend anybody. Yeah, it looks like it's ripe. What a great looking fig that is. We have very cool summers here, so sometimes the inside of our figs doesn't ripen all the way to the exterior or the skin, but in this case it looks pretty ripe. Okay, let's go ahead and have a taste. All right. I might not even take that in to let the family taste it. I might go ahead and eat that myself. Well, that's a good fig. This is Takoma Violet fig. It's kind of a middle ripening Mount Etna type fig for us here. It comes in around the same time as Mavrasica, but after a lot of our other Mount Etna type figs. And it's a good tasting fig.